Yeah, buddy, Edifier is back at it again with these babies right here. This is the X3 from Edifier. And we're gonna check them out together as soon as I get done rolling that doggone intro, baby. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm in a good mood today, JDLians. Welcome back. Hey, new guy, girl, before you sit down, man, let me let you know something real quick. All the veterans, y'all go ahead and sit. I need to tell the new guy, girl, that this is the Untech Tech channel. I do things a little different here, man. I don't go all into technical specs and get all crazy nitpicking stuff apart like that. What I do here is I unbox stuff, especially earbuds and stuff, shove it in my ear holes, have a good time jamming some music, and let you know if it's gonna be worth the purchase or not. If that's what you came here for, you're in the right doggone place. But if you came here for all that other technical mumbo jumbo, you should probably go ahead and leave at this point, because you're not getting any of that here. But you're welcome back at any time. Now let's get into this box. Ooh, look at that, man. So this is the white version right here. So there they are in the flesh. All right, here we go. Let's get it open, man. Let's just cut the nonsense. This is a solid set of earbuds. I actually got a chance to check these out when I was taking over Edifier's Instagram page, man. They allowed me to take over their Instagram page for about an hour. We had a doggone good time sampling these bad boys, and this pair is just gonna be just the same. I will tell you, first of all, that the case is super small. I mean, it does remind you of something like the AirPods case, but as you can see, they do not have an AirPod look. If you look closely, they share the same aesthetics as a traditional earbud, only these are gonna have these touch pads right here with that little X logo right there. So we have our earbuds right here, and these ear tips look big enough for me to just stick in my ears without having to change them up. Now I'm starting to pay attention to the hole in the ear tip. Recently, I've got a couple sets of earbuds with super big holes and then some with a tiny hole, and that does change the sound signature a little bit. So I'm kind of excited about seeing how these sound again, because it's been, I don't know, maybe a month and a half since I've actually listened to these bad boys. So once again, you got your case here. Let me go ahead and activate them by putting them in the case and then close it up. See if there's any LEDs. Nope, no LEDs to let me know it's charging. I wonder if, oh yeah, okay, so they are charging right there. There's a little red LED right there. So let me go ahead and give these a quick charge. And speaking of quick charging, you do not get USB-C here. You're gonna get micro USB. You see it right there? So these do have micro USB, and there's the port right there on the back. Other than that, man, there's nothing else in the box. So there's only one thing I got left to do, man. I stick them in my ear holes and give you the answers to the questions that you got. I know, new guy. You got one. Settle down, man. I'm gonna let you know. Hey, JDL, but do they jam though? Yeah, buddy. I like that, man. But then again, if it's got music shooting out of it, I'm generally gonna like it. But honestly, these are great for people who are just getting into true wireless earbuds. I know it's like a iffy move. Should I go true wireless? Because people are still rocking the wire around their neck these days. This is a great first step, man. I wouldn't call these audiophile quality earbuds, but this is a step into the, well, they're still playing. I must have tapped that touch button. But yeah, this is a huge step into this world, because I've been enjoying true wireless for maybe 2 years now, and it's been great. This is a great first step into it if that's where you're wanting to go, man. And I think these are really great for fitness due to the simplistic look and feel. That's too bright, man. Let me get you up under here. They're great for fitness due to the simplistic look and feel, and they just do the basics extremely well. I've been saying that a lot lately because a lot of earbuds try to do too much, man. They be trying to pack everything into, you know, this little bitty package, where sometimes it's just not necessary. Like, you don't need ambient sound and noise canceling all the time or for every earbud. What this has in it is your touch controls, which would be play and pause, answering in calls, and you got your virtual assistant. And as far as track controls, you get forward and back. You're gonna be missing your volume controls. You'll always have your phone for that. But as far as track controls, you got forward and back with triple taps on both earbuds. So that's good to go. You can at least, you know, change your tracks forward and back. Like, you know how you get ready to go into beast mode and that song comes on, right? But you wasn't ready for beast mode just yet. So you just triple tap to get that song to start over again. That way you can be ready to go into beast mode.
That kind of life
So it's always nice to have those touch controls there. But as far as the music and sound quality, I think it's great, man. You're gonna get enough bass in there to get you moving so you can get into that groove. Once again, man, it's not audiophile earbuds. So, you know, when it comes to like all the brightness of the highs and everything, they're there. They're just not like super shiny or anything. Like, you know, the words that audiophiles use, like airy or I don't know what the words are. But these are more of a casual listening type of earbud, and I do think they would be great for fitness, just due to the compact size and the ability to wear them while doing fitness, because they don't seem to move around in the ear that much at all, or at all, period. So yeah, man, if you're taking your first steps into true wireless, or if you're into fitness and you just need something that takes care of the basics extremely well, I'm gonna highly suggest the Edifier X3s. These are gonna give you a real solid performance, man. But I'm no expert on anything. I just like get my jam on, because life is short, man. And if you ain't getting your jam on, you're doing it wrong.
Oh, I can feel my heart beating.
So before I get out of here to go make some more videos, y'all make sure y'all keep being good to each other, and I'll see you when I see you. Oh, so you wanted them cats that like to just run up in a place, take what you want, then leave, huh? Man, you better hit that subscribe and notification button. That way you know when I'm over here opening up new stuff. And while you're down there, you might want to consider tapping that join button and becoming a member, because membership has its perks. See, that wasn't so bad. All right, man, I appreciate you, and I'll see you at the next one.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?